Imagine an AI discovering the next super metal for the future, a metal strong enough to survive extreme heat inside rockets, jet engines, and nuclear reactors. Scientists didn't manually test thousands of metals. The AI chose the best ones itself. Normally, discovering new alloys takes years of expensive experiments, trial and error, and countless failures. Now, researchers at Texas A&M University have created an AI system that learns on its own which alloys will fail and which could become the strongest metals of the future. The system first simulates thousands of alloy combinations on computers. The AI removes weak materials before scientists even create them. Real-world experiments are performed and results fed back into the AI. The AI becomes smarter after every test. This process is called closed-loop learning. Every failed experiment helps the AI make better decisions next time. One of these AI-selected alloys has already moved into active testing for 3D printing and advanced manufacturing. This means future rockets and hypersonic machines will use AI-designed metals. Follow for more futuristic science and hidden technology stories, because AI is changing the world faster than most people realize.